Hello travelers and welcome to my channel. My name is Gwen and I make videos about traveling and specifically traveling by train. In this video I am telling you about the Interrail/Eurailpass. This video is not sponsored by Interrail. I just like to use it and want to help you use it. First of all, what is Interrail/Eurail? This is a pass you can buy to make traveling by train through Europe easier. And if you use it wisely, cheaper. It is called Interrail for people who live in Europe and Eurail for people who live outside of Europe. You can choose between the global pass and the one country pass. The global pass is valid in up to 33 countries and the one country pass is, as the name says it, valid in one country. After selecting a pass, you can choose for how many days you want to use it. If you choose 4 days, for example, you can use those 4 days in 1 month after activating the pass. But be aware, purchasing is not the same as activating the pass. I will tell you later in this video how to activate the pass. These 4 days don't have to be used consecutive. You can use 1 day and a week later the next day if you want to. So, how do you activate it? After your purchase, you download the Interrail/Eurail app. I will show you what the app looks like and how to use it. This is the app. You can search for the location you are traveling from and for the destination you are traveling to. In this example, I use Basel SBB to Milano Central. You can choose the travel date and the time. You can also use specific filters. Then you tap Plan My Journey. Here you can see different options. Some have transfers and others don't. Sometimes a seat reservation is required, but that depends on the country you are in and the train you take. When you click on an option, you see the type of train, the transfers and the platforms. Once you have chosen which train you want to take, you click on Save Journey and on the trip you are going to make. When you want to activate your pass, click on My Trip at the bottom and select your trip. Here you see the journey you saved. By clicking the switch on the right, you activate your pass. It's really important that you only activate it on the day of your travel. If you do it on another day, your travel day will be gone. And on the other travel days, you have to click the switch for the trip of the date. You really have to activate it on the date of your travel. When you are sitting in the train, they ask you to show your ticket. To show your ticket, you have to go to My Pass, to the trip, and then you see a QR code which the conductor will scan. This is how to use Interrail. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will post more videos about traveling by train, so if you are interested in this type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications. Have a great trip!